This is the question number 11 of the same slot. Now the question says the area of the regions satisfying the inequalities mod of x minus y should be less than equal to 1, y should be greater than equal to 0 and y should be less than equal to 1. So basically we have to find out the area enclosed between these inequalities, right? So what we know that this is y equals to greater than equal to 0, this is y equals to less than equal to 0. Now at first plot this graph. So what we can say, this is the origin, here x and y both are 0 0, right? This represents the x-axis, this represents y-axis. Now for y greater than equal to 0, what we have to find out the area which above this line, right? That will be y greater than equal to 0. Now and y less than equal to 1. So at y equal to 1, suppose if I say this is y equals to 1, so this line represent y equal to 1. So the area basically in between 0 and 1. This point will be x is 0, y will be 1, right? Anywhere on this line y will be 1, x will change. Now here it says that mod of x minus y less than equal to 1. So suppose if I say that mod of x minus y is equal to 1, what we can get is y is equal to mod of x minus 1. Now we know that y equal to mod of x is the graph like this. We can say that this is basically the y is equals to mod of x. For y equal to mod of minus x, the graph will shift 1 point downward y-axis. This will be basically y equals to mod of x minus y. So the graph of mod of y equal to mod of x minus 1 will be like this. So this is basically x is equals to what here? X will be 0, y will be minus of 1. Now this cut here, and we know that at this point y will be 0. So just check on this graph, if y is 0, what we are getting? If y equals to 0, what we'll get? That mod of x is equals to 1 or x will be equals to plus minus 1. So we know that this point will be 1 comma 0 and this point will be minus of 1 comma 0. Similarly, at this point, we know that y is equals to 1, we have to calculate x. So at y equals to 1, mod of x will be 2, or we can say this point will be 2 comma 0 and this will be minus of 2 comma 0, right? So we have to find out the area that satisfied y greater than equals to 0 and y less than equal to 1, also mod of x minus y less than equals to 1. So that means what we have to calculate this area. How we can calculate? We can calculate the area of this bigger triangle, right? Subtracting area of this smaller triangle, we can get the area of the required region. So now to get the bigger triangle area, what will be? This is half into perpendicular. Now you can check the perpendicular distance from here to here will be what? This is basically 0 to 1. So this is 1 and this is 1. So that is 2. This is the base. So base this side is 2. This is also 2. So that is 4. Now we will subtract the area of this smaller triangle. So height is 1. This is origin to 1. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 into this base length. So base length is again 1 this side and this side 1. So this is basically 2. So what we know that 2 2 will get cancelled out. This is 4 and here 2 2 will get cancelled out. This is minus of 1. So the required area is 3 square unit. So area enclosed under this regions will be 3. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.